Dear students, previous classes we will discuss about what is the meaning of plant breeding, how many steps are involved in plant breeding process, how many breeding crops or hybrid varieties are identified in India. Next one, plant breeding are resistant to diseases. Plant breeding for developing resistant to insect pests. Okay, now today we are going to learn about plant breeding for improved food quality. Okay, now dear students, more than 840 million peoples in the world do not have adequate food to meet their daily food and nutrient requirements. A far began rural number 3 billion of peoples suffer from micronutrients, proteins, vitamin deficiency and hidden hunger because they cannot be afforded to buy enough fruits, vegetables, legumes, fishes and meat. Daily meeting to be lacking of essential micronutrients, particularly iron, zinc, copper, iodine, especially vitamin A. Okay, now in those of time, so many scientists are invested or struggled to be identified one term, that is biofortifications. Several Indian breeding crops or hybrid crops are containing higher yield by means higher content of proteins, higher content of carbohydrates, higher content of vitamins, higher content of mineral nutrients and high resistant to diseases and abiotic tolerant to atmospheric stresses. These characters are having to several Indian hybrid crops or several Indian breeding crops. So these plant breeding crops are containing useful or economically healthful contents. These contents are together as named as biofortifications. What is the meaning of biofortifications? Which means as a plant breeding crops to having high quality of proteins, higher level of vitamins and minerals and health higher fats. So to this a most practical means by the public health, that is called biofortifications. Biofortifications can be produced several hybrid crop plants to be utilizing undertaking to the objects and also to be informing that so those plant breeding crops are having protein contents, and also as well as maintain to be quantity, oil content, and also quality or quantity, mineral content, and micronutrient content, and also vitamin content. So here we observed some of the biofortifications food materials available in some of the hybrid crop plants. Such as first one here in the year 2000. Generally during the period 1960 to 2000, the increasing of the wheat production and rice production. Before the 2000, the wheat production 11 million tons. After 2000, the wheat production 75 million tons. As well as rice before the 2000, so the rice is available in 35 million tons. After 2000, the rice available in 889.5 million tons. Why? Because this was the development of semi-dwarf variety of wheat and rice. This is the one important thing. Okay, now in the year 2000, the maize hybrids have containing two basic sequence of the additional amount of 5 amino acids, that is lysine and tryptophan. So by means lysine, tryptophan, both are amino acids. These amino acids are available in maize hybrids. Okay, now in the year 2000, the maize hybrids that had been twice amount of amino acids, these twice amount of amino acids, such as one amino acid is lysine, another amino acid is tryptophan. So two amino acids are available in maize hybrids. So that is maize hybrid is one of the biofortification of plant. Next one here, Atlas 66 variety of hybrid, that is wheat. Atlas 66 variety of hybrid, that is wheat, are having high content of proteins. At the same time, Atlas 66 to be used donor in the cultivation of wheat production. Next one here, as possible as on iron fortified rice variety, are having is much more than iron content. This iron content of rice is also commercially consumed variety. Next one here, golden rice are having containing beta carotene, as also containing vitamin A. So already previous classes we will deeply discuss about golden rice. So the vitamin A is always prevent of blindness. So these are the some biofortification of plants. These biofortification of plants, such as plant breeding crop plants. Okay, now dear students, next we are going to discuss about IARI, by means Indian Agricultural Research Institute. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute located New Delhi to be introduced. Okay, now the Indian Agricultural Research Institute located New Delhi, that is IARI, to be introduced several biofortified crop plants or several vegetable crop plants. So these vegetable crop plants are containing proteins, vitamins, and also as well as minerals. So here discussion about some vegetable crop plants or some biofortified crop plants or some plant breeding crop plants. Okay, now vitamin A enriched in carrot, spinach, and pumpkin. Okay, now so here carrot containing vitamin A, spinach containing vitamin A, pumpkin containing vitamin A. So here vitamin A enriched carrot, spinach, pumpkin. Next one here vitamin C enriched in bitter gourd, batua, that is Chenopodium. Batua means Chenopodium, king of the vegetables, tomato and mustard. By means bitter gourd containing vitamin C, batua containing vitamin C, tomato containing vitamin C, mustard containing vitamin C. So here vitamin C enriched in bitter gourd, batua, tomato and mustard. Next one here iron and calcium. Iron and calcium enriched in spinach and batua. Okay, now spinach is also containing vitamin A as well as iron and calcium. Batua is containing vitamin C as well as iron and calcium. So this is the importance of spinach and batua. Both two are vegetable curry leaves. These two vegetable curry leaves are containing vitamin A, vitamin C as well as iron and calcium. That is the spinach and batua. Next one here proteins. So proteins are enriched in broad bean, lab bean, French bean and garden peas. So these are the important of some plant breeding crop plants or biofortified crop plants. Okay, now thank you.